Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Austin in Tennessee on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Austin's ready to go for you, bud. I'm sure you've watched a bunch of my videos, but for those of you that haven't, I'm just going to go through, get your talk back here. It's called the monitor. You can run it anywhere you want. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello, hello. See when I keyed up there? That shows your SWR, okay? Basically, the goal is as low as possible, but 1.5 or less, and you're golden. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down. Mic gain's wide open. There's your echo and delay. We got it off. Color, let's change that. Let's do the green, and there's the dimness. We'll leave it all the way up for the camera. Keep it in AM mode. Band D is in dog. And let me show you. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. I've got you at 2 watts all the way down, Austin. Now, you're not going to want to run it right there if you're just running the barefooted radio, only because that's too low of a carrier for the peak swing you're going to see. There's 14 all the way up. Okay. And just for reference, let me show you the 12 o'clock position. It's 11, okay? We're going to turn it back all the way up. 50 watt slug, hello to 45 bird average. Amazing little radio. 100 watt slug and peak, hello, 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 98 PEP. Austin, that's with the tuned alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and the electrolytic capacitor upgrades, okay? All right, Austin. Looking forward to meeting you in a day or two. Hope you enjoy the video from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.